Over the last month, Ulty investors have seen both the power of weekly dividends and the pressure of price declines. Today, I'm breaking down the latest ex-dividend dates, the share prices on those days, and what this could mean for long-term holders. In the heat of battle, I say naughty things. You have been warned. Are you not entertained? In mid-July, Ulty was trading around $6.40 per share. Fast forward to mid-August, and the price has slipped to about $5.73. That's a decline of roughly 10 to 11% in just 1 month. Ex-dividend dates and prices. Now let's look at the most important days for income investors, the ex-dividends dates. On July 31st, Ulty closed at $6.14. On August 7th, it slipped to $6.04. On August 14th, the price fell further to $5.95. And as of August 19th, we're at $5.73. So let's analyze this trend. This shows a clear pattern. While the dividends are being paid weekly, for the first 3 weeks, it basically, you lost your 10 cents, which came out of clearly the NAV. It has to be the NAV. 614, it's 10 cents to 604, 10 cents further down to 595. But now what's really interesting is where we're at today. It's already down to $5.73 at close, and we're going to lose that 10 cents that they're most likely going to pay out tomorrow, or that they're going to announce tomorrow. For income investors, the big question is whether the weekly payouts outweigh the erosion in price. Are you okay with just getting return of capital? Or did you invest in Ulty because you felt it was going to stay stable and give you that weekly dividend? A lot of people put a lot of money in fast because they had seen that it had held this trend for a long time. Now we're seeing it slip very fast, and it's starting to show signs of Clownbodian sickness. Let's just be real. Clownbodian sickness. Have we went too far into the enemy territory? Before I continue, let me be fully transparent. I personally own Ulty and multiple accounts. This is not financial advice, just my perspective as both an investor and a content creator. Ulty is an exciting ETF because of its weekly distributions. But as the last month shows, income doesn't always mean stability. If you're holding for dividends, keep in mind the balance between short-term price movement and long-term yield. I personally track this every week, and I'll continue to update as the numbers change. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more weekly breakdowns, and drop a comment. Are you holding Ulty for the long term or just trading the payouts? I'd love to hear your strategy. My strategy with Ulty has evolved. I'm using Ulty strictly to buy other shares of other things, and I put right around like 20% of each distribution right back into Ulty to stabilize the NAV for me. But hey, as always, if you're taking the risk, you got to do your own research.